Welcome to this GCSE Science tutorial video on circuit symbols in the topic of electricity. Go on, click the bell icon, you know you want to. We also post GCSE Science videos daily on TikTok. Circuit diagrams are used to represent different electrical circuits. Circuit diagrams are made up of different circuit symbols that represent different electrical components. You need to be able to draw and interpret circuit diagrams for your exam. Here we have a very typical and very basic circuit diagram. When drawing circuit diagrams, remember to draw the circuit symbols first. Then draw the wires. And make sure you do this with a ruler so the lines are straight. The lines must be unbroken, meaning there must be no gaps. And that means no gaps from one side of the power supply all the way around to the other side. Otherwise, current will not be able to flow. Let's look at some other features that good circuit diagrams must have. They should be rectangular or square in shape, and the turns in the wire should be 90 degrees. Here is what the same circuit diagram would look like drawn in pen. So in summary, we have a rectangular shape, a ruler has been used, the lines are unbroken, and the turns are at 90-degree angles. I will now show you all the circuit symbols that you need to know for your exams. Name them and then describe their function within the circuit. Here is the first component, which is a cell. The cell is the power supply in a circuit because it transfers electrical energy through the circuit. Our next circuit symbol here is a battery. A battery functions in the same way as a cell, as a power supply. A battery is simply just more than one cell. And the circuit symbol here shows a battery with two cells. In theory, a battery could have 10, 20 or even 50 cells. Essentially, any number more than 1. Now we have a lamp. And the lamp transfers energy via light waves to the surrounding. Our fourth symbol here appearing now is a voltmeter, which is a device that measures potential difference. Potential difference is also known as voltage. Potential difference is measured across a component. Let's now move on to some more circuit symbols. Here we have an ammeter, which is a device that measures electric current. Another circuit symbol then, this time we have a resistor. A resistor limits the amount of current that flows through the circuit. This symbol here is that of a thermistor. And a thermistor is a special type of resistor whose resistance changes based on the temperature. Moving on now to our next circuit symbol. This circuit symbol here is a diode. A diode allows current to flow in one direction only. Okay, so we have 4 more left. This first symbol here is a symbol for a light emitting diode, also known as an LED for short. An LED is a type of diode that emits light when current flows through it. This circuit symbol appearing here is the circuit symbol for a variable resistor. And this is a resistor whose resistance can be changed. In other words, its resistance is not fixed. Our last two circuit symbols now. This circuit symbol is the circuit symbol for a light dependent resistor, also called an LDR for short. A light dependent resistor is a resistor whose resistance depends on light intensity. Now for our last circuit symbol, here we have the circuit symbol for a fuse. And a fuse contains a wire that melts if the current is too high. This melting of the wire stops current flowing, and therefore acting as a safety mechanism. That is the end of our video on circuit symbols. Thank you for choosing Genius Science, and remember to work hard, be kind, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.